it's Shauna of the Shauna Method here with a daily habit to help you get and stay organized. And this daily habit is to reset high traffic spaces. During the day, we take things out. We take out clothes, we use our keys, we might hang a coat on the back of our chair, we might dump our purse on the counter when we walk in, children might come in with homework. There are all kinds of things that come out during the day. And that's what your home is for. So you shouldn't feel like your house needs to look perfect all the time. On any given day, different items will come out, we'll use them, and sometimes they tend to accumulate in our high traffic areas, like the sofa in the living room where you spend all your time, the kitchen table. A great daily habit is to go through these high traffic spaces at least once a day and just whatever's there, walk around and put it away. Sometimes being organized just means a lot of walking around and putting things away. So aim to do this at least once a day in those spaces you use most frequently. This daily habit, I guarantee, will help you get and stay organized. If you have things that you don't know where they go, that's a different question. You can message me and we can talk about how to fix that.